Hey guys, my name is Michael and today I'll be doing a video on Nerf guns. And my topic of Nerf guns is I'm going to be doing the Regulator versus Doominator. Which one's bigger, which one shoots down the most targets, like the target right here. I'm going to be trying to shoot these little tins down. I'll be reviewing which one has the best accuracy, the Doominator or Regulator, which one's longer, which one holds the most bullets. We're going to be going over there. Shoom! Hey guys, I'm back from the table, and this is the Doominator. This is the Regulator. Which one do you think, guys, will beat the one? I would probably say the Regulator. I really like the Regulator because it has this little flip clip. It shoots one and then burst fire 3, then rapid fire, all of them at once. And I like seeing them all shooting out really fast and slow. And it's really, and most of my Nerf videos, I usually use this gun because it shoots really well at people. Doominator, my favorite part about the Doominator is I like it because you can like put this little green thing right here. Like if I'm a lefty and I want to get the rhino fire, I can go like that, or I can go like this the little way and go like that with it, like that. Or if I'm a righty, like you guys might be, I would probably put it on the right handle, and I would probably do like that if you're right. Oh, and now we're going to get into the things about which one's going to be the comparison and which one's bigger, and then we're going to start loading up the magazines for the Regulator right there. So then I'm going to start loading up the Regulator's magazines right now, and you guys can watch or speed ahead. All you do is just push one in. Keep on doing that. And just keep on loading it until it gets past, until the last starts right there. That means you're done. I know I'm done is because of right here. If that's all filled up, I'm done. If you got a little board that's not really working well, you can just put it on top. So the one thing I like is it shows the big number 12, and it has like all the bullets right here, and it shows you like all the stuff to use, and it's really cool. I like how it has these like little cuts on the sides and things like that. And now I'll be showing you a Nerf bandana. That's just right over here. And then this is a Nerf bandana that I really like. So I'll be wearing this when I'm shooting down all these targets around here. So let's get on to the next magazine. Guys, sorry for the hassle, but I'm doing another one because it comes with two 12-round magazines, and 12 times 2 is 24, by the way. So then we're probably going to be shooting these bad guns right now at these cool targets that I put around here. And let's just finish loading up these magazines. And so, you see the arrow guides you where to put the gun, and all you do is you just slip it in, and then how to get it out is you push this little button and it will slide right out. Oh, and you guys are probably wondering, where does this one go? Do you just stick it in your pocket or what? It comes with a little stock holder that just slides right on the back since it has a yellow thing. And then right here is where you put the next magazine. So I did it like this, and you still have, and then the whole other gun will all these other parts, this little part can either go right here. Well, it's actually the aiming glass thing. So then the other aiming piece that you can hold onto is the little one goes on the little hole. Just push down, turn it around, and then the next one you just do the same. Like that. And this is how the wheel gun really looks. That's how the gun really looks. Like that. Now I'm gonna get on to shooting all these targets. Oh, and I'll be wearing this bandana mask. That's really, really cool. Like this. Now we're gonna get on to shooting. So now I'll be shooting down these targets. First I'll probably be shooting down this one. You guys want to see? I'll go really far away. And I didn't have a bullet in that one. So I feel like a fool now. And I'll go for the next one. And some of these bullets are not really fun to look. I'm going to do an able to go different kinds of bullets for my different video a while ago. And now I just blasted that one in half. And I got these two little things on my cool little basketball hoop that I got for Christmas. And I'm having them this side and shot the last one. I shot the first one and it came back. And if you hear that sound, that means the bullet is jammed. And then you have to push it back in. So then if you want to go closer and shoot, you can. Like I had a bullet on this one team, so I'll probably move to the next one. Sorry for the bullets. Okay. So now we have these little ones on my dad's book. Oh, and I put it houses and things like that. Take like a really nice shot like that if you want, or you can just go like or you can do left fire if you have it. Now you guys are gonna see the Lego shot. This thing is like a sniper rifle. That's enormous. See? It shoots really nice. And the one thing I like is if you can't shoot on something, just shoot rapid fire. So then I still got some other hard ones. Take that one, and then one out, and just take that if you want. We'll put it back in that. We'll get up another thing. And then I ran out of bullets, so I'll be reloading up these guns. See ya! Subscribe and like. Bye. See you in the next video. The next video will be Monday, and I will be doing a Pokemon video. We'll open our side by side. My sister right here. Shout out to her YouTube channel because she's the one who's actually vlogging it. So shout out to her. And if you want to invent, because on the next Pokemon video we're gonna do unboxing 34 booster packs are side by side, my sister, and you guys could see her. So if we pull anything good, that's gonna be in the giveaway. That's gonna be Monday night. Bye.